Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID not working in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Face ID is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just go to your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. Once you updated your software, just go back, go to screen time section, go to content and privacy restrictions, and disable all the restrictions from here. Once you have disabled the restrictions, just go back and you have to retry to check if the issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, we can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press and use your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to clear your or clean your cleaned images in depth or front camera, or you can also try to go to your settings app, go to Face ID and passcode, and do your iPhone passcode, and just try to reset your Face ID from here. So once you have reset your Face ID, just set up it again so you will not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, just open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, select Face ID, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to dial, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.